welcome back to Rock Natural. So welcome back to season 2, episode 2 of the Bodacious Women Empowerment series. As I mentioned, this series is all about women in business doing their thing. So if you haven't seen season 1, be sure to check it out in the description below. If you haven't seen episode 1 of this season, be sure to also check that out down below. So today we have here Keisha, who you may remember her from episode 1 of Bodacious, and she was talking about starting her business.
To be honest, I was just scamming through Instagram. I saw this girl's head, I was like, that is cute.
I mean, who doesn't go to Instagram for everything, right?
Yeah, and then I won't have to do my hair for like the next week, which is nice.
And I can't believe it because we're here today, and I'm so excited to talk with her and catch up and see where she's at now. So Keisha, go ahead and introduce yourself.
Hey guys, I'm Lakeisha. I am the CEO, creative director, wardrobe stylist, the whole shebang for Blvc Mrkt.
Yes, see, I had to be repping. And she also has on a really cute Blvc Mrkt shirt. So tell us a little bit more about Blvc Mrkt and like the whole mission behind it and how it came about.
Yeah, so after working at a marketing firm for 3 years, I learned a lot of the business side, a lot of the back ends, and it was one of the things that kind of led me to build the confidence enough to start an online business. A boutique was something I always wanted to do, and so when
I remember her talking about it all throughout high school, all throughout college, and you know, that's like manifestation. Like if you talk about it, dream about it, be about it, then it can happen.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, no, for sure. So I just think over time, like once I made the decision that I was gonna finally do it, then that's when I start to have to think about exactly what I wanted and the specifics behind it. So I named it the Blvc Mrkt simply because I knew that personally I wanted to create pieces that were gonna be unique and elite and good quality and something that was like one of a kind to bring back a little bit more of the style versus like just a trend in the fashion world. Yeah. And so kind of just started shopping for it, bless you. And here we are.
Yeah, that's awesome. Okay, well, I'm so excited to go more into detail, so let's get right into it. So what inspired you to start your own business?
I don't think I would say it was just like one thing that kind of led to it. I honestly think it was like several things that kind of just added up to it. A lot of it was my own creative outlet. I didn't want to be stuck in a position where, you know, I was doing it for the wrong reasons, or, I mean, honestly, the thought of just like building somebody else's dreams makes no sense to me when I have like the ability to do it myself.
Yeah, for sure.
And then I'm also really inspired, obviously, by like my family. My niece is a huge motivation, and just the freedom. I like the fact that I'm literally my own boss. It does take a lot of discipline, and it takes a lot of, you know, creating the right habits to remain consistent, but I'm very like results driven, so it kind of just works.
Yeah, that's awesome. I kind of feel the same way, especially with YouTube and my hair and makeup business. I'm nowhere near where I want to be yet, but I do enjoy like the flexibility of being my own boss, and like you said, it does take a lot of discipline.
Yeah.
So for any entrepreneur or person in business, it can be very stressful. So what is one of your favorite beauty products that you like to use to just kind of wind down after a long day, or if you're doing like a self-care day?
So every Sunday I do a self-care day.
Nice.
I love, there's this hair mask by Briogeo. It's literally crack for the hair, not kidding. Every Sunday, it's my favorite thing to do. It's like all natural, no parabens, all this stuff. It's literally, if you guys haven't checked it out, you can get it at Sephora. Believe me, your life will change. And then I also like to do a clay mask, an Aztec clay mask. So those are my 2 favorite that kind of make all the stress leave my pores and my hair from the week. And I
I haven't tried that mask yet, but it's definitely on my list now.
I'm gonna make you try it today.
I need it.
Yeah, you do. Everyone does.
So we've learned so much and seen so much today, but what is one advice you have for someone who's wanting to start specifically like an online business?
I would just say, just be honest with yourself about your commitment to it. I think that being an entrepreneur has become a really big fad, in the sense like it's like the cool thing to do. which it is cool. I mean, you're your own boss, you're creating something literally out of nothing, you know, you're kind of putting your footprint in the world, and obviously that's not the only way to do it, but I think that like the difference between a lot of people who are entrepreneurs and who aren't is just their commitment and their willingness to do it, and understanding that it's 100% a choice. So be honest with yourself. If you're not willing to put in the work, if you're not willing to like make the sacrifices, if you're not willing to like, you know, have hard days and be able to bounce back up, and that's okay, that's fine. But just like, there's apples and oranges. Don't try to be an apple when you're an orange.
Deep. Well, we've learned so much about Blvc Mrkt, and you saw how cool her website was, and you learned all about the brand. So of course, don't forget to follow her on all the social media. What are your connections, platforms?
Yeah, absolutely. So I have a page on Facebook. It's under Blvc Mrkt. So BLVC Mrkt Boutique. And then on Instagram is @_Blvc Mrkt Boutique. All the information is also on the website.
Yeah, so what would be a good way to contact you if they had questions? I mean, I know your website's pretty detailed, but is there another way for them to email you if they had questions about sizings or specific pieces?
Yeah, absolutely. So you can actually email me at blvcmrktboutique@gmail.com. I'm also kind of dipping my feet into wardrobe styling as well. So any questions regarding, you know, fashion shoots, personal wardrobe styling, anything like that, you can also message me there. And I'm pretty quick at it, and I'm pretty good at communicating pretty quickly. So any questions, just swing my way.
Yeah, she's pretty good. She's pretty awesome as well. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you haven't seen episode 1, be sure to go check that out right now. Subscribe if you haven't already. And if you're a woman in business, specifically in the Denver area, reach out. I would love to show you some love and get your face on the screen as well. Well, until next time, toodles.
Thanks, Rock.
You're welcome.